Casa from the rooftop pool. We're hanging out here at the rooftop pool. Listen, I'm going to show you a little, just answer a couple questions here. I've got a brand new YouTube channel I started for 2020. So we're busy transferring all of my other videos from all of my other channels. I've had 7 YouTube channels over the last 7 or 8 years. Now we got a brand new one called Paradise Lifestyle. It's all about living my paradise lifestyle, and I teach other people how to live their paradise lifestyle. So at any time while you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and then also click the notification bell so you get all of my videos. But right now I just want to answer some questions as we're hanging out here. We just had a beautiful sunset. The sun just set over there, and we got a beautiful moon. Check out that moon. You can see the moon, half a moon, tonight. It's Tuesday night, March 3rd, 2020. I can't believe it. And I just want to answer some questions here as I walk over. We got a beautiful rooftop pool here, guys. Check it out. The Caribbean Ocean is right. The Caribbean Sea is right over there. I'm in Mexico, and yeah. So people are asking me, what do I do? How do I do it? What is this? How do you make money online? How do I build a YouTube channel? How do I get more subscribers? How do I build an Instagram channel? Look, all this stuff is great, guys. Listen, and you need to do these things. But the number one way to make money today, Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020, anywhere, the number one way to make money is this. I'm going to tell you what it is right now. You got to listen to me. Any multimillionaire will tell you this. I don't care if they're on the Shark Tank, they're flipping houses. I don't care if they're a YouTuber with 10 million subscribers. They will tell you the same thing. The number one way to make money, it's very simple. Listen, you post an ad. You put something out there like this video right here. Boom. Okay, this video. Okay? You post a video, a ad on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, now TikTok, YouTube. You're probably watching this on YouTube right now. You have to post an ad. You have to post something. Okay? Why do you think big companies spend millions of dollars on a 60-second commercial on the Super Bowl? Why? Why do they do that? Why does Coca-Cola spend $1 million to run a commercial for Coca-Cola for 1 minute on the Super Bowl? Because he has over 30 million people. They have 30 million people watching that ad, which means they're going to have potentially 30 million customers buying Coca-Cola. That's it. That's it. That's what you have to learn how to do. That's it. Stop wasting your time doing all this other shit. Watching videos, buying training courses. You're wasting your time. You're wasting your time. Listen to me. Listen to MySuperCoachJames. I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for 27 years. You post an ad and you put it in front of millions of people, and by the sheer luck of what's called the numbers game. The numbers game. What is that? The numbers game means that the more people, the more numbers, the more people that see your ad will send you money. That's it. Now, you can't, that's it. Stop the bullshit. Stop watching hundreds of hours of videos, watching all these other people make money, because they get it. They got it. They know the secret. Here's the secret. The number one way, the number one secret to make money is to post an ad and put it in front of millions of people. Look, if you had a product right now that you were selling for $10, $10, okay? Listen to Steve Harvey, his 10-step rule. Watch. You want to be a millionaire? You want to make $1 million? Do this. You sell something for $10, okay? You put it in front of 1 million people every day, and 10% are going to send you $10. It's guaranteed. That's just the numbers. That's been the numbers for 100 years, guys. So if you're selling a $10 product and you put it in front of 1 million people, and 10% buy your $10 product, okay? What's 10% of 1 million people? Let's do the numbers. Let me get out the calculator. Come on. That's easy. 10% of 1 million people. Okay? What is it? Take your time. Get out your calculator. 10% of 1 million people, okay, is 100,000 people. If 100,000 people buy your product for $10, You're a millionaire. It's $1 million. I think. Is it? Sometimes my numbers are bad. You're a millionaire. That's it. You want to make a lot of money. You want to get rich. Really? You really? Okay. Then stop wasting your time jerking around. Trying to get all these subscribers on YouTube. Trying to become a YouTuber. Who cares? Who cares? I want 100,000 people to buy my $10 product every day, and I make $1 million a day. I'm not saying I'm doing that. I'm saying that's the secret. What if you could just do that once in your lifetime? In the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, how about this? In the next 10 years, you sell a $10 product to 100,000 people, and you make $1 million. That's it. Do you know what I can do with $1 million living here in Mexico? I can live for the rest of my life like a king right here in Mexico. I'm in Mexico. The Caribbean Sea is right over there. I'm 10 minutes from the beach. I live a paradise lifestyle. I live in paradise. I do whatever I want whenever I want to do it. Why? Because I know the secret. I'll say it one more time. You know how to do something. You can do something. You're a mechanic, you're a teacher, you're a professor, you're a babysitter, you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you know how to cook. Whatever, it doesn't matter. You're an online gamer. You know how to sew. It doesn't matter. You know how to do something. I have 15-year-old kids making this money, selling a $10 product. I have a 15-year-old kid I watch. He's selling a $5,000 product online. Are you kidding me? He's teaching people how to play games and become #1 in the gaming business, and he's making millions of dollars as a 15-year-old. Come on, because his parents knew the secret. He's selling a product for $10. I don't care if you do it today. I don't care if you do it tomorrow. I don't care if you do it in the next 10 years, and you make $1 million and you're rich. Boom. You like that idea? Send me your information below in 1 hour on one phone call live. I do this live. I don't tell you to buy my $1,000 training course. Forget that shit. You're not going to do it. You're not going to read it. You're not going to watch it. You're not going to make money. I will help you make money in 1 hour on one phone call, and I will show you the secret 10-step rule. 100,000 people, 10% buy your $10 product. You're a million. You're a millionaire. You can do it today. You can do it tomorrow. You can do it next week, next month, next year. That's up to you. But I would get in touch with me right now, and I will personally show you how to do it. In the link in the description below, send me your name, your phone number, your country code, your email, send me everything. Get in contact with me and my team. I will put you in business with the 10-step rule in 10 minutes. How about that?